Okay, we're back. Hartwell and Lake Hartwell are 1 mile away. The exit to be it's Georgia 77, and it can take you south, I think, all the way across I-20. Several state parks scattered along on our trip here, but we're not going to check them out right now. So I've got video of Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Tennessee, a little bit of South Carolina, but not that much of Alabama or Tennessee either. Not that much of Florida, but I want to get some of North Carolina, some more of South Carolina. Got to expand out this year, get more variety. Speed limit's 70. We're running, well, the speedometer says 65, but we got two sides of oversized tires on here, so we're probably running 70. These other folks are running more. 225s came on it. We got 245s on it. Much bigger tire. And this speedometer is synchronized, calculated for, or whatever you want to call it, calibrated for 225s. There's a chart online that you can get that tells you what the difference is, and I have looked at it, but I hadn't paid that much attention. Up on Lake Hartwell. Lake Hartwell's a nice lake. South Carolina Welcome Center, rest area. We'll cut through there just for the heck of it so you can see it. Oconee County, South Carolina. Look at all those geese and little goslings. We'll swing through the Welcome Center. Welcome Center patrolled by law enforcement. That's good. Cars to the left, other vehicles to the right. Well, I guess I'm not a bus, I'm not a car, I'm a van, but I guess I classify as a car. Nice rest area and visitor center. Well, I guess he broadcasts music as he goes down the road. Playing America the Beautiful. That's pretty cool. I want a motorhome, but nothing anywhere near that big. However, Westminster and Walhalla South Carolina 11, it's to the right. We're going to get back on 85. I hope he speeds on up. I don't want to get too fast, but I don't like smelling that diesel. I'm going to drop on back. Fair Play, Seneca, 1 mile. South Carolina 59, exit 2, I think that was. I know very little about South Carolina. Another Love's with the Arby's at exit 4. I just got off into Love's back in Commerce, exit 147. We will get off and just swing through the Love's to see what kind of food they have to eat there. Check it out for a place to stay for the night, either tonight, tomorrow night on the way back, or any some other time when we're on the road. And it's just a review for fellow travelers. Fellow nomads. I haven't become much of a nomad yet, but I've got my foot in the door and trying to wiggle my leg and the rest of myself into it. Yeah, when I do hit the road, I'm going to try to do some, small, light carpentry work or home repair. Try to do some drone videos for sale by owners, real estate agents. I am FAA certified, so I can legally engage in commercial drone video. QT 17 miles. We'll get off and just swing through the Love's, just like I said, just to check it out. This is exit 4, Fair Play in South Carolina. South Carolina 243. I really like these Love's. Now, there's a travel center there. Can't tell what it is. Mobile. It looks nice. Yeah, my general plan right now is, I have an outline with one Roman numeral, and that is just to drive. But I'd like to go to Charlotte, around the Charlotte area, then double back down through US 29 all the way back into Athens Arcade. Okay, like I say, there's almost all of the Love's I have visited have been very nice. Been one or two of the older ones that are not quite as nice. This one may fit that category. I only see one type of food, Arby's. You know, the last Loves we got off at there was not a return exit. I wonder, I didn't pay any attention to whether there's one on here or not. We may have to do another little rural drive to get back to 85. I didn't even notice when I came off. I'm going to turn it off, then start another video of South Carolina interstates.